Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Monroe County and east central Ohio, south central Belmont County and east central Ohio, southwestern Marshall County in northern West Virginia, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Powhatan Point, or 11 miles southwest of Moundsville, moving west at 5 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and $half-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Powhatan Point, Bealsville, Clarington, Alledonia, Cameron, Woodlands. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or